Okay, bro. So about the breakdown, that song is in the key of F. Sorry, F sharp. But you can play it in any of the key. You can play it in F sharp, G sharp, any of the key you feel like playing the same. Okay, as long as you know the positions, okay, and the fretboard. Okay, that is the key of F sharp. So at the first, the progression of that song is so the chord progression of the song is just do and saw. Okay. So at the first place, I mute the saw because I mute the saw here. This deep saw. Okay. So when I mute it, I play do the last of my vibe. Now I'm going to the saw chord now. Okay. Okay. I play again. I mute again. The last of me. Okay. The last of me. Now coming to my do chord now. Okay. There is something I play. Okay, play something like that. So I play do fa mi 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 do so mi do. Then I play something out of vision. Okay, so for that solo part, I play something like that. Play something from the start from this other shape here. So la do re mi so. Okay, because this is your do ti la so fa mi re do ti la. Okay. So I play from the sol la ti do, sol la do re mi so. Okay, so for this shape I play do sol re la mi, do sol re la mi re do la ti sol la mi re. Okay, sol la mi re. Okay, now I play. So that place I stop at the re there, and I play re mi, fa, fi. Then I play again. This one I play la, do, ti. La, do, ti. Okay, so that is what I play in that part. Then I play something like that. So I play, so that riffs I do there, I made a riff there. Okay, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti. La, so, fi, re, mi, re, do. Okay, so that is it for that part. Then I play, and I make a double note scale there. Do, re. I'm picking from the down, okay? Okay, I'm picking my string from the down like this, okay? Do, re, fa, so. You will slide from the va to the so, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so. Okay? Re, do, ti, la, so, la, ti, do, la, ti, do. Then I play. This is your do, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, your key. So I hold between the so and the mi. Okay, I made a slide there. Okay. So that way, in other words, what I'm playing there. So mi, va, re. Okay. Mi, va, re, mi, do, mi, do. Okay. Okay. Then I play again. Then I climb up now to the fourth and the second string. Then now that is as if I'm going to my so chord, because that is re and ti. Okay, that will be your re and ti. Okay. Okay. So now after playing this, and I play, so I come to this other interval here. Okay, on that F sharp. This other do interval. So now play. The first string. Okay. Okay. And I play something like so, re, do, ti, la, ti, la, do. Okay. So, mi, do. Okay, now that's where I hold my another do interval here. Okay. So, fa, do. After this shape I play. Okay. Okay, so I play the rest of them. Then this one is I pick from the first string. Do, 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 re, 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 ti, 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 re, re, do, do, re, re, do, do. that is what I played in the video. And wherever you don't understand, you can hit me up. I'm going to give you more breakdown about that.